Well, we have a lot to get through here this morning with some hazardous conditions at our beaches, as well as wind and some flood warnings here. As of right now, we're mostly into our 50s, 57 for Big Sur, 53 Salinas, and up north to the Bay Area, San Francisco at 56 degrees. Our wind speeds are still taking that southeasterly flow. We have most of that funneling up into the Salinas Valley, 17 miles per hour wind speeds right now in Soledad. That as our high as of right now. Later on, we have that high wind warning into effect for the darker yellow here on Monterey County, south portions. The wind advisory remaining in their Santa Cruz area, as well as the Santa Cruz Mountains. But as we expect, those gustier wind conditions are going to result in some downed trees and power lines, so power outages are definitely possible. The beach hazard statements also into effect for 4 p.m. today to 4 a.m. on Wednesday. Blowing and drifting sand thanks to those windy conditions, as well as our wind waves upwards to 20 feet because of that wind influence, and then poor visibility due to the sea spray on our waters. So coastal flood alerts are into effect, and our coastal flood warning. This will start at 10 a.m. actually today till Friday. We have most of that chances of some flooding in our low-lying areas, in our creeks and streams, but we don't expect any river flooding. This is what we'll be seeing for a KSBW 8-day forecast. Impact days for the next 4 days. Alert days for the Monterey Peninsula for today and for Wednesday. Santa Cruz Mountains will see an alert tomorrow as well due to some heavier rainfall and those stronger wind conditions. Hollister and King City also are all going to be affected here into the low 60s to upper 50s. Now let's take a look at your weather, kid. It's Zara.
Zara.
Another picture here of some creating a snowman. It looks like back-to-back weather kids are just trying to head up and ready to go up to the Sierra.
Yeah.
This is so pretty.
I love those snowmen, or the snowmen we've gotten today.
Yeah.
You saw
So
the
cute.
earlier one.
And Paul hasn't even